Well, it is Tuesday night, 8:13 to be exact. And no, I am not home. I am in Christian's driveway again. Why? Because we still have little things we need to fix on this car, and I'm here to fix one of them right now. So let's go see what the problem is. Hey, Christian, you got a drill? Yeah, Greg, I do.
She likes to go fast. Fast only.
Oh. Right.
She's a go fast girl.
Okay. We'll go with that. Okay, so we had our grounds here with self-tapping screws, but Christian thinks that they were loose, but they're in fact not loose. Only thing I can think of that could be the problem is maybe the wire is breaking somehow, which the jacket looks a little jacked up. Right there. Focus. Not the first part down here. Looks like the jacket might be a little bit messed up, but I don't see nothing else really wrong with these wires. Either way, gonna drill and tap these 3 holes and use 10-30-second bolts and some red Loctite so it never comes out, and tighten it. If we still have the issue, then a wire needs to be changed afterwards. But we'll go with this first as the first fix.
Wiring today and some cool pieces for the car.
There we go. Oh, come on. As soon as I drill it, it gets stuck. I wish you would have told me that your drill sucked.
It was amazing.
Excuse me, what?
That's what I used before.
Yeah, it sucked then too.
Well, you forget?
Yes, I did actually.
What all the light you phone?
Nah, I'm trying to do both. This is the life of a vlogger now. You're trying to drill holes in metal with a janky drill bit.
Greg's complaining because listen, it feels fine. It's a great drill.
Tighten it then. It's so fine.
Give it to me.
Do it. Do something fine.
Peasant child. I figured.
You know what? Just give me a cable cutter and I'll cut all these cables and I'll just go home. You'll have fun driving your car after that.
So what are you trying to tighten? This?
Yeah, it's gotta be tight. Like, tight. As tight as I can get.
Good old vice grip. Hang on, I got you.
Good old vice grip. Here's me laying down on this cold concrete floor. The garage door is still open, freezing to death.
Take your leg out. That's some soft stuff right there.
Oh, that would be bad. Now the question is, if somebody would have told you 3 months ago, drill a hole in Greg's leg when he wasn't watching, and your car would have been running perfectly fine, would you?
Listen, you heal Greg.
Oh! You see what happens? This is what I get. This is what I get. No. This is what I get for coming over here, sacrificing all my time. I get a hole in the leg.
If someone said, "Hey, would you shoot Greg for $1 million right in the toe?" You'd be fine.
You know what?
I'd give you a good amount of that money. You'd be fine.
I hate you. I really do.
45, and my neighbor's about to hate me even more. That's drilling.
Oh no!
Oh, you unplugged my compressor plate. You messed up my whole thing. Come on,
I did. Now we will use a tap and slowly tap this. Wait.
Wait, can I have this quarterback now?
Yeah, you can take it. Get that out of the way. Should be able to slowly tap this hole. Oh, here we go.
There it is.
I'm gonna have to stop vlogging because Christian wants to wake the dead. I have my holes drilled and tapped, as you can probably see.
I got a wheel.
What?
I got a wheel.
Nobody asked you.
Stance boy!
Red Loctite or Vibratite, what we use at work, but same deal. Yeah, but guess what? Guess what? It's more expensive.
Really?
Yeah, I don't understand.
Could be better.
Yeah, well, whatever.
So
So I'm using.
We Ace Cafe in Friday or what?
Yeah, sure, why not? Got a 10/32 pan head black painted screws for Christian with split lock washer. Focus, focus, focus. That's not focusing. Anyway, hopefully that'll fix the problem. If it doesn't fix the problem, then
Car for
I don't know.
sale.
Yeah, we'll just part it out. Should have did that 3 months ago. You know what I'm saying? They old cars. You know what I'm saying? They don't really want to work. They want to retire, bro.
Are we done yet?
Like, I've been working for like what 23, 24 years. I'd be like, I'm ready to quit. Put me out the pasture. Buy a new one. Buy a Mark 7.5, bro. Get some technology in your life. Oh, that's tight. All these three are tight. You see how that looks now, everybody? Drilled and tapped. That's not going anywhere. If this causes an issue, we're gonna have to chop wires and replace them. But I don't want to have to do that because that means I'd have to come back over here again tomorrow.
Love over here.
I'm just gonna end that quick. Anyways, I did my job. Christian's gonna be swapping tires. It is 9 o'clock. I'm going home.
Let's plug this battery and see if we have any.
Yeah, do that. We should have been doing that instead of putting on wheels.
Hey man.
Because you just. Yeah, because either. Oh, here we go. All the noise.
It's fine.
All the noise.
Excuse me, sir.
Alright. Gonna hook the battery back up to see if we have any success. If not, we're gonna have to cut some wires and make things work here. Yep. Radio's flashing.
Yeah, okay, that's better than yesterday.
It wasn't flashing yesterday?
Yesterday I took the battery out, there was nothing. And I wiggled.
I still don't understand why you're not getting anything on your cluster.
They think it might be, people say it might be broken or it might be, I don't know. It's weird that it just.
It could be broken, but it wasn't doing that before.
Once the car is running, everything works fine. But once I turn it off, it keeps resetting. So maybe once we fix whatever the wiring issue is.
Boy, you're gonna start this car at 9 o'clock at night?
Think I care. Think I care.
Well, it's not as loud as, like, let's say,
Cold starts are a little bit.
Mine.
A little bit there. But cold starts a little bit there. We'll see.
you cut your muffler off and join the club.
One day. Alright, let's see if I can get the power this time. Alright.
Oh, plenty of juice. Plenty of juice.
So then we fixed it?
Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, I can tell that I fixed it.
Sender.
Bro, do you need tires?
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine.
That,
No, it's fine.
that's not fine.
Yeah, it is.
No, it ain't.
I don't know that side.
Alright.
It's been like that since I flipped it. No lie. Long time.
You will see a couple clips of some of the guys at work. They bought new cars, a Corvette, C7 Corvette, and a brand new STI. And you'll see a little cinematic of those two cars. I'm heading home, and this will be the end of the video. I'll see you guys at Ace Cafe. Peace! Alright, Kevin just got a new toy. Everybody's coming out here to hear him do the startup. Kevin, you got here at 4, right? So the car should be cold by now.
Yeah, that's one thing, man. My exhaust. Damn.
2017 Grand Sport C7. Oh, it looks good. Now he's part of the dark gray club.
Popping the hood.
Rev it a little. You know what, Kevin?
Listen to this is stealth.
Stealth mode. Gonna have to show you how to rev a motor. You know what? I'm actually happy for Kevin. Maybe now he'll be nice. You right?
See, they carbon fiber.
Looks great.
Fuel rails.
Yeah.
All
Wanted to come out and get a closer look at Kevin's new car, just to see the specs. That way you guys can see it in the daytime instead of at night.
Well, Kevin, the only thing I got to say is, damn it, I have to start looking for an upgrade.
Check it out. Sound click of Bobby's brand new 19 STI. So you lost one, you got a better one,
Uh huh.
and you pretty much came out on top.
Yeah.
Besides back pain,
Yeah.
pretty much came out on top.
But hopefully, Dan Newell will make that feel better.
Oh, no plugs. Dan Newland doesn't subscribe and sponsor this channel.
I might be on a billboard.
That would be funny. Dan Newland got me $137,456.27.
Yeah.
So what are the immediate plans besides the exhaust that you already did and wheels that you already did that came over from the old car?
I could go once I hit 1,000 miles, which is the break-in time, which is in 200 more miles. I can either just go stage 1 because I have the access port from the WRX,
But that's not fun.
or I can go down pipe stage 2 right away. And or I might do the Varus front bumper, which I wanted to put on the WRX.
stay tuned. We'll be bugging Bobby every other day when he gets a new mod. He seems to mod his cars pretty fast, so this will be a fun one to watch.
Yeah.
Hopefully he keeps it in one piece.
Yeah, hopefully.
Oh, and we just have to acknowledge that a bird or a seagull had diarrhea all over my car this morning, and I didn't see it until I got here. Birds. I hate birds. They're gross and they're disgusting. Slowly cultivating a car workplace, a car guy workplace. More people are getting new cars, better cars, more fun to drive cars, which is exciting for me because we get to see cool cars every day.
Perfect.